Hello everyone, welcome to FixZone. Today we will be discussing how to change your sound output to an external monitor on your Mac. First things first, make sure your external monitor is connected to your MacBook. I've got mine connected right here using a USB-C Thunderbolt 4 cable. Alright, monitor's plugged in? Great. Now, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. Then, select System Settings. Once you're in System Settings, look for the Sound tab and click on it. This will open up all your sound settings. We're interested in the Output tab. Click on it. Now, you should see a list of available output devices. To switch the sound to your external monitor, just select the monitor that's connected to your Mac from the list. In my case, it's showing up as the Odyssey G85SB. Click on yours. Now, I have to mention, sometimes this process can be a little buggy. If you run into any glitches or problems, simply restart your MacBook and reconnect your external monitor. That usually fixes things right up. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this video was helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to FixZone for more helpful tips and tricks.